more cheese.
Jerry likes his Kung Pao spicy.
Jerry likes his Kung Pao spicy.
Alright, here we go.
That's all on video, by the way.
Okay.
Perfect. Alright, here we go. Tool change. Maybe not.
It looks like you guys added these air blows here. Is that for blowing off parts or what?
Yeah, those came with the Haas.
Oh, they did.
So
okay.
they are integrated. I don't remember what the M code is, but they do work.
Okay.
Here we go. Axis movement.
Very nice, thank you. Have you ever had to even replace your way wipers or anything? It looks like they're all, wow, pretty original.
Shift forward.
Wow, very nice, very nice. You should come do all my videos out of all my accounts. You're very good at this.